Konnichiwa, I am Julie. Currently, I am working at a border as a program coordinator. We are so excited to cooperate with Ryugaku Journal in organizing the cultural sessions for you and the local peers in Vietnam. Since the world is becoming more and more globalized, we acknowledge that it is important to give our students the best preparation for their future career to work in diverse cultures. By joining this program, you are connected to the local bodies in Vietnam to get more insights into cultural aspects of the countries, as well as necessary ground knowledge and skills to work in a cross-cultural environment. Learning is a journey. If you have a fear of the unknown, don't worry because you have us, a border team and your local buddies to support you. Grab your chance and step out of the comfort zone to see how far you go. Welcome you on board!